My name is Ava, and I'm a travel vlogger and writer. Over the last few years, I have been traveling all across the Asian continent. This is the story of my journey in a country that is unique and filled with immense beauty. Pakistan, a vast land and home to over 200 million people. The birthplace of ancient civilizations and today one of the most promising economic powerhouses in the region. 70 years after declaring independence, Pakistan is still a diverse and ever-evolving melting pot of cultures, religions and languages. Today, we embark on an ambitious journey.
This is the bluest water I've ever seen in my life. I mean, it's just epic.
I want to see what Pakistan is really like. This journey will take us from the coastline in the south all the way to the roof of the world in the northern areas. I plan to visit the edges of Pakistan at the country's 4 international border crossings, as well as the regions in between, in the very heart of the land.
That's the Chinese border, right there.
I want to meet the people of Pakistan, and from them, learn about the culture, history and religions, all of which have shaped the Pakistan of today. A place called Pakistan, exclusively on TRT World.